So today I'm going to show you how I made this hard hitting but simple beat in FL Studio. Let's get started. So the first thing I started with was this loop that I got from a Russian pack on Splice. When I first got the loop, it was much faster, so I slowed it down and I also pitched it down a semitone. I then added this counter melody. For this, there's actually two things going on. I use this Mellotron. Then I added this arp from the SQ80V plugin by Arturia. And together, they sound like this. So after the melodies, I then did the hi-hats. Then I added the snares. Then the kick. Then I muted the drums to make the 808 pattern. Now with the drums. And that's the entire beat, just to arrange and mix. With that said, if you have any questions or any suggestions, please leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the post notification, and share. Thanks for watching. I'm out.